A very warm welcome to all the attendees. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are just about to start our session in a minute because few people are still joining in. So let's wait for one more minute and then we will start the session. Before moving ahead with today's session, I would like to understand if you all can see the screen and hear my voice. For that, I am sending you a poll and I would request all the attendees to please address the poll visible on your screen and give me an update. Thank you very much for the update. As I can see, most of the attendees are not facing any issue. There are few people who are facing little bit of issue with either viewing the screen or hearing my voice. If you can see the blue screen, that means screen is visible to you. And if voice is unclear, I would request you to please check your network once. In case if there is any network issue, you might be facing some problem. I would request you to check the network. If required, you can re-log into the session as well. Okay, thank you very much. As you are aware that this is a Q&A session with expert, but however, I would just like to give you a brief idea about Smart Fulfillment Program. And post this, we will start with our question and answer round along with our expert. Just give me one moment. So allow me to explain you how the Smart Fulfillment Program works. So let's understand what is smart fulfillment. As correctly mentioned here, smart fulfillment is a program wherein you get help from Flipkart for systematically arranging your warehouse, seeking help for easily maintaining your inventory, and making sure your product is getting smoothly delivered to the customers via Flipkart logistic partners. So this entire process is called Smart Fulfillment Program. Now, what are the advantages that you earn when you log on to when you opt in for Smart Fulfillment Program? So first thing, you get FA Short badge on all your listings which are inverted into Smart. So why is FA Short so important? Because FA Short badge is considered as mark of quality and trust. So whenever customer is seeing FA Short badge, they always tend to choose those products. Then you get boost in visibility, you get intelligent recommendations, you get efficient order processing, you will see fewer missed shipments or returns, and you will see significant increment in your sales as well. Now, how can you become a smart fulfillment seller? So these are the requirements that are required to become a smart fulfillment seller. First, express working. So you have to onboard yourself into express working, and you can process and mark your order as RTD as per your time slots given to you by Flipkart, and process your orders faster to the customer. Second is Sunday working. So you have to make sure your operation should be open on Sundays as well, and unmark Sunday as holiday on your calendar. So go to your calendar, unmark yourself from holiday. And third is daily sales. So it is preferred that your daily sales should be 10 units or more. That's a preferable limit, but it can go even higher depending on what product categories you're dealing in. So these are the basic criteria of becoming a smart fulfillment seller. Other than this, there are some mandatory assets that you should have, or it is required to become a smart fulfillment seller. So you should have multiple racks with bins. Then you should have a laptop or a desktop. Third, you should have a laser printer or a normal printer. Fourth, you should have a barcode printer with thermal label or paper roll. Fifth, you should have Wi-Fi connection with minimum speed of 5 Mbps. Sixth, you should have a barcode printer as well. And seventh, you should have a barcode scanner. So if you have all these items, these are also mandatory assets that are required. How you get onboarded if you are eligible? So whenever you want to onboard yourself on Smart Fulfillment Program, usually our team reaches out to you to discuss this process. However, you also have an option to express your interest by raising a ticket to our seller support team. Now let's understand how the onboarding process works. So this happens in two basic steps. First is infrastructure audit. So an auditor will get in touch with you and arrange a video conference calls to check the warehouse for all the requirements. Then second will be pre-live audit. So as the name suggests, this is a step just before getting on a live platform where auditor will helps you arrange the warehouse systematically and install all the software. So you will get the complete guidance from our auditor. So as becoming a smart seller can be the best decision for your business because you will see a significant amount of increment in your business growth. So now if you have any questions, I would request you to post your questions in the Q&A box. We have our expert along with us, Mansoor, and Mansoor will be answering your questions for the day. Mansoor, I hope you can see the questions in the Q&A box.
Q&A box, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, without having racks and printer can't be become smart seller. No, racks and bins is very important for smart fulfillment because we have to invert the inventory, then only it will become a smart fulfillment inventory. Racks and bin is very mandatory for smart fulfillment. Can we obtain without barcode printer? Barcode printer also mandatory here. Without barcode printer, you can't able to part of smart fulfillment. We have all this available with us in our warehouse. Okay, if you have all the warehouse, you can reach out seller support. They will help you about the nomination part. Uh, minimum requirement for smart sellers. There is no requirement. Okay, if you are eligible, but that is you are in express and you are ready to Sunday working and you are doing more than 10 DRR, you are eligible for smart fulfillment. You can contact seller support. एक सिंगल लिस्ट के daily 10 orders होने चाहिए या फिर total? No, your total orders should be more than 10. It's not like a listing level, it's a seller level. और कोई question? How to process ahead? Okay, proceed ahead. Okay, just contact seller support. They will help you about that. How much time for non-onboarding? Okay, if you reach out seller support within 2 days, we will reach out to you. After that, within 7 working days, you can able to onboard smart fulfillment. My sales are below 10 units per day, but I want to opt for smart fulfilling. Okay, your daily DRR is less than 10 means you are not eligible for smart fulfillment. In case if you are interested, please contact seller support. Let us see once your business. After that, we will take the additional decision. Any new seller can be smart seller? No. For new seller, we have a smart 2.0 option that you will get automatically. If you are eligible for smart 2.0, you will get the FSU tag as well as after you are 10, once you cross the 10 DRI, after you can come to smart fulfillment. All infra gadget are per red or not need to arrange after the confirmation. Yeah, infra means whatever the basic requirements is there, that is the infra. What we will do first, we will create infra audit. Once we will get to know all the requirements is available with you, then we will create a pre-live audit for you. Full process explained. It is nothing but smart fulfillment is the program where you will get this FSU badge on your listings, whichever listing you will invert in smart fulfillment. If you get the FSU badge, definitely your order will get improved. Okay, order flow will get improved. It is for the business growth purpose. I have marked my order as a ready to dispatch since approx 1 week. Okay, this is not related to smart fulfillment question. Please contact seller support. They will help you about this. Yeah, it is mandatory to paste FSN on every product. No, here not FSN level, it is a listing level. Yes, your listing ID, you have to paste each and every product because this is one by one order processing. You have to scan and do the process, inverting and order processing. So it is very mandatory for paste the listing ID barcode on each and every product. I have racks and bins and all the required things. If you have all the required things, please contact seller support. They will help you about this. How can I increase my selling and visibility because I am not getting enough order? Okay, if you are part of smart fulfillment, please send a mail for us. We will check out for your business. If you are not a part of smart fulfillment, this is the another issue. You can contact seller support. Can I copy image of other seller and create my own product? This is not related to smart fulfillment question. We already have mentioned requirements in our warehouse, but we have been trying to get in touch with support team to get touch with us, but we have not received any response. Okay, so Arya, we will do one thing for any other question. We will share the smart fulfillment mail ID. Okay, in seller support is not supporting. In that case, they can seller can mail to our generic mail ID. Barcode code is mentioned twice. These two different printers. No, barcode printer and thermal printer. These are two different printers. Barcode printer will use for the barcode print, and normal thermal printer will use for label printing or other purpose. These are two different printer. It is not a two barcode printer. One is barcode printer, another one is the thermal printer. Is barcode thermal printer both are different? Yeah, both are different. My infrastructure audit was done 25th September. When I get the second round of interview? Okay, so please contact your auditor. Okay, he have a look on that. If you failed in audit, again within 10 working days, they will reach out to you. Before smart fulfillment, I get 20 to 30 orders, but after smart fulfillment, I got only 20, below 20. How to increase sales after onboarding smart fulfillment? In case after onboarding smart fulfillment, if your order got decreased, please raise a mail to smart fulfillment and smart_fulfillment@flipkart.com. We will definitely help you about this. Let us check with what is the issue there. Then we can tell you the suggestion. Okay. Does smart fulfillment involve sending goods and to Flipkart warehouse? No, this is completely different. This is not related to Flipkart warehouse. It is your own warehouse. You will maintain each and every inventory and order processing. It is in your place only. There we have smart fulfillment, but are not able to generate shipping label from barcode printer. As per requirement, we have initiate QZ try, but not able to generate. Okay, in this case, you are facing any issues, technical issues. Please contact seller support. They will help you about it. After that, also, if you are not getting proper response from the seller support, please raise the mail to smart_fulfillment@flipkart.com. We will help you about this. How to increase the order? So if you're part of smart fulfillment, definitely your order will get increased. In case of after part of smart fulfillment, also your order is not getting increased, please contact us. What all guidance will provide from side if in case I am missing something? I think we already covered everything and everything. Okay, if you are just nothing else. Difference with Smart 2.0. Smart 2.0 is nothing but it's only for the low sellers who have a less than 10 DRR. For those sellers, we will give the first badge without any smart warehouse. After they increase their order get increased, once they pass the more than 10 DRRs, they have to come to smart fulfillment. That is mandatory. Otherwise, we will remove from them Smart 2.0 as well as. Okay, barcode printer is mentioned twice, or these are two different. I already informed like barcode printer and thermal printer. Both are different printers. Both also require for this smart fulfillment. Think anybody have any question?
Mr. Rohan Chavare, we are not sure about the other platforms, but Flipkart warehousing services is something that you can attend a Flipkart fulfillment webinar and understand how it works. Mr. Rahul Kataria, your question is listing related. I would recommend you to attend listing webinar so that you can reach out to the right expert who can explain you how you can go ahead while creating the listing. Mr. Vipin Jagwani, just logging into Smart is something that it does give you more visibility. However, you have to work a little more in order to reach out to the customer. The reach also is very important. I would recommend you to attend one of the growth webinar as well. Rubal Aurora, we have already.
Yes, sorry for the inconvenience. Maybe it's a tech issue. I am not able to connect.
See the questions? Okay, no problem. I'll make it visible. I hope you can see Ranjita Sagu's question.
Ranjita Sagu, no, here it's not displaying.
Ranjita is asking, please explain the order management process in Smart Fulfillment.
Yeah, order management process is nothing but it's a different, a little bit different process in order processing. In normal smart Flipkart, you will do bulk order processing, but smart fulfillment you have to do one by one order processing. You will get different tab in same portal. There you can do inverting, order processing, and reporting everything. Okay, once you get the smart fulfillment tab, we will arrange you training, and we will share with you the training video as well as you can able to understand easily.
Mr. Rahul Kataria, we cannot tell you the cost because we are not selling the racks or printers to you. You will have to check. If you need recommendations, you can. We will be sharing an email ID. Mansoor, can we share the email ID?
Yeah, you can share the smart fulfillment underscore smart underscore fulfillment. The generic ID is there, no? You can share with us with them. So
1 second.
smart underscore fulfillment at flipkart.com. I will share you the this one ID once again.
Sure.
Yeah. Ranjita Sagu is saying like a training is not yet arranged. Okay, if you pass the audit, definitely we will arrange the training. Okay, we are. Let me check when you pass the audit. After we will contact you once again. Yeah, if there any support email they are asking, definitely we will share you the generic mail ID where you can contact only if seller support is not able to help you, then you can contact us. Okay, because each and every query we can't able to answer. So please first contact seller support. If not getting resolution, then please contact us.
Mansoor, I've just sent you the email ID. Please check if it is the correct one.
Please wait, I am checking. Yeah, this is one. This one only.
Thank you. Dear attendees, I'm sending you all an email ID. Please check the chat section. That email ID will be visible to you. Use that email ID to reach out to our smart fulfillment team.
Okay. Can new seller within the 10 DRR? Okay, that's why I told you. If you are less than 10 DRR, you can part of my FA 2.0. We will contact you. Still, you are interested in smart fulfillment, please contact seller support. They will reach out to you.
There's
Yes,
a question.
barcode scanner is
Sorry, take it.
barcode scanner is mandatory here. Unable to see the email ID. Ria, they are not able to see the mail ID. They're asking the mail ID.
In the chat section, the email ID will be visible to you in the chat section. I'll share it once again.
Okay. Someone asking the Rabal Aurora is asking, please share the requirement once again. So, Ria, I think you can able to share the requirement, right?
Yes. Don't worry, we'll be sharing the recording of the session as well. So you can go through the recording if you've missed on that part, but I will show you once again.
What is FSU 2.0? FSU for Smart 2.0, sorry, FA 2.0 already explained like this is only for the low DRR sellers, which we are automated already. If you are eligible, definitely you will get the FA 2.0 nomination as well as it is already automated. If you are eligible, definitely you will get that. Must need barcode scan. Yes, barcode scan is mandatory. Yes, Amit Sharma, I have asked twice. Please answer. What is asking here question? Okay, the mail ID is invalid. Address not found. Error. Let me check once again. Why?
Hi everyone. I hope you can see the eligibility criteria here. I'm sending you the email ID once again. Please check the chat section.
Okay, Amit Sharma is asking one question. After getting FA, what will be the changes in shipping charges? Yes, customer shipping charges, it will get changes. Okay, if example, customer is ordering below 500 product, if his order value is below 500, we will charge to customer default 40 rupees as a shipping charges, either respective of zones, we will charge as a 40 rupees shipping charges. That 40 rupees goes to seller. If customer is ordering above 500, his order value is more than 500, then free shipping to customer. Seller, in this case, seller will not get any kind of shipping charge from the customer. Only customer shipping charge will get changed, respective. Other than everything will be the remaining will be same, whatever as it is non-FA. I'm new seller, I'm not getting enough visibility and orders. Spoke to seller support, then run paid campaigns, but not getting orders. Okay, Harmeet Singh, I think you are not a part of Smart Fulfillment. Okay, if you're part of Smart Fulfillment, still you are not able to getting the proper orders and you are not visibility, please contact us. Otherwise, it is a different issue. You have to contact your CAM or RIS. Yeah, I think I have answered all the questions. Anyone?
Yes, I'll just show them
Okay.
the eligibility
Yeah,
criteria.
yeah. Yeja Singh was asking like, what is the bartender software? Bartender software is the software where you can create a barcodes. Okay, if you put the listing ID and you can create the barcode. Okay, that is the bartender software. We will share with you the link as well as when you will go to onboard. Okay, in that you will get the trial purpose 1 month free trial. After that, you have to purchase the software. Okay, you are managing inventory from the third party. So it is based on the third party process. If your third party is ready to work on Sunday, if your third party is ready to work on one by one order processing, definitely we will give you the smart fulfillment participation option. Okay, so it is based on the third party. If he is not ready to process one by one order processing means, then we are not able to give any smart fulfillment. 10 orders eligible criteria update on how many days of interval. 10 orders eligible criteria updates on how many days of in. I think I didn't. It's not based on the your days. Okay, if at present you are doing more than 10 DRMs, you are eligible for that. It is not like any time duration. Okay, we are not seeing your old orders at present. That means present week, yeah, present month. You are doing more than 10 orders. You are eligible for that. Okay, I have a pickup issue. You have pickup issue means it is a different issue. Please contact seller support. How we create a barcode in bartender. Okay, definitely bartenders of training will give you. Auditor will contact you. He will help you about how to create a barcode from the bartender software. Okay, if once you'll get past the audit, each and everything we will teach you. अगर ऑर्डर आईडी सेम है तो एक शिपमेंट में ही जाना चाहिए मल्टी प्रोडक्ट्स, जिससे शिपिंग कॉस्ट एंड पैकेजिंग टाइम सेव होगा। ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता है? डेफिनेटली स्मार्ट फुलफिलमेंट में मल्टी ऑर्डर्स को एक ही पैकेज होता है, एक ही लेबल भी होता है। यहाँ पे मल्टी ऑर्डर्स को 2 बार प्रोसेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट 2 बार स्कैन करना पड़ता है, लेकिन ऑर्डर एक ही पैकेज में होगा और एक ही लेबल में होगा। I think you didn't process in smart fulfillment. Once you go to the smart fulfillment, you can get this. We have not been trained on how to print label from the thermal printer. Okay, after past the audit, you are not able, you not got training means, please contact us. We will arrange once again training for you for thermal printer training. Already data is shared in the mail chatting center to generate the printing label from thermal printer. I already answered this question. For the thermal printing, auditor will give you training. In case of auditor is not supported you, definitely you just mail us. We will help you about this. Okay, you are asking about the third-party software. Okay, actually in a smart fulfillment, any other software will not able to work. Okay, so here you have to work one by one order person. Maybe your third party will not accept this. Okay, so here the other software will not able to contact with smart fulfillment. How to generate print label from thermal printer? For thermal printer, you have an option like you can select the printer, which printer you want a label. Okay, if you are not getting the option, just contact seller support. We will enable thermal printer option from the backend. Okay. Hi, training not yet done by Flipkart. Training not happen. Please wait for some time. Maybe your audit got passed one day or 2 days before. Once you will get live, you will get the training video as well as. I have one question now. Many times we are unable to see the available bins, so we are unable to invert the stock. Why so such issues? Okay, you are getting issues like you are unable to find the bin numbers. Okay, that is the tech issue is happening. Okay, so you are in your portal only you can able to see the available bins detail. If you are not getting, please raise a mail to raise one incident in seller support. Okay, we will look into this. If I want to add more bins, what will be the this one? If you want to add the more bins, if you want to add the capacity, whatever it is, okay, seller support is able to help you. You can write the request. They can increase your existing bin size as well as they can add the new bins also. So whoever want to add the bins, you want to increase the existing capacity, please contact seller support. Okay, they have authorization. They can increase your existing bin capacity, as well as they can add your new bins also. No need to worry. After rising also within 24 hours, they're not answering, then just mail to us. We will help you about this. So you're unable to generate a label, please contact seller support. Okay, that is maybe the tech issue is happening. Let us check with the incident ID, then only we can able to answer you. Okay, after removing your FSU, your inventory from the smart fulfillment, still you are seeing the red color FSU batch in the sense. No need to worry, it will not impact anywhere. Okay, that is only for the you have already inverted, but again you removed. Okay, so it is it is not eligible for FSU. Okay, but one thing I will tell you, if in case you are a FSU debadge removed from the listings, no need to remove from the smart fulfillment. In smart fulfillment only, with the shipping charges you can sell it. Okay, whenever you get the eligible listing eligible for FSU, automatic FSU will reflect on the listings. No need to remove from the smart fulfillment. In case you are not you don't want to send through smart fulfillment, in that case you just recall. Okay, no need to worry about the red color FSU badge. Okay, that will not impact anywhere. That is only for the information purpose. Hi, why the smart fulfillment order showing in Flipkart seller app? Flipkart seller app, I didn't get what is the question here. Amit Bhalla is asking why the smart fulfillment order showing in Flipkart seller app. Maybe I'm not getting the question properly. Can you help me about this? Can we process the order in bulk in smart fulfillment? No, at present you can't able to process bulk order processing in smart fulfillment. You have to do one by one order processing. Okay, but we are working on that. As soon as possible, we will provide you a better result in this. Okay, but as of now, you have to process one by one order processing. Why the smart fulfillment orders are not showing in Flipkart seller app? Okay, that is you are asking about the mobile app, I hope. Okay, just raise a question in seller support, raise the incident. Let us check and I will help you about this. You are unable to generate label, please raise the request, because maybe your portal, your seller dashboard have any issue. Because of that, you are not able to generate order. Sometime what will happen, the particular order is got cancelled, then your label generation will not happen. Please raise the incident. Seller support will help you. Once you raise the incident, it will not impact your SLA also. Why we are not marked weekly off in seller hub? Yeah, we already informed like a Sunday working is mandatory. Sunday working is mandatory in the sense 7 working days mandatory here. You can mark leaves like a vacations here for 2 days, but you not mark holiday as a holiday in weekends. Okay, in case any emergency, if you need a holiday Sunday, yeah, any one day means you can contact seller support. They will from back end, we will mark you a holiday for the particular day. It is only for the vacation or any emergency. But particularly every weekend, you can't able to mark as a week off. Archit, if Flipkart app, you are not getting the orders, smart fulfillment orders in the sense that is the product change. Okay, which we need to look up there. Just raise a mail. Okay, with screenshot. What is your asking? Let me check from our end, and I will help you about this. Yeah, I think I have answered all the questions. Any pendants is there?
No, I guess almost all the questions are covered. Questions which are not related to smart fulfillment, I would recommend you to attend relevant webinar. Questions which are related to smart fulfillment, Mansoor has already answered, and we have shared the email ID also with you. You can refer to the chat box, and please use the latest email ID that we have shared in the chat box. I'm sharing it once again. If you have any query and you think you are eligible, then you can reach out to our team directly regarding smart fulfillment related queries and for onboarding as well. And don't worry, we'll be sending you the recording also of the session. So if you have missed out on responses given by Mansoor, you can refer to the recording of this session. So before ending this session, we would like to understand how was your overall webinar experience today. For that, I'm sending you a poll, and I would request all the attendees to please share your feedback in this poll visible on your screens now. Please let us know how was today's webinar. Was it helpful to you? And recording will be sent to you on your email ID. So don't worry, you will not miss out on any of the explanation. Everything is explained by Mansoor clearly in the in today's session. Requesting all the attendees to please address the poll visible on your screen. The poll is about to get over. I request all the attendees to please address the poll and share your feedback with us. Thank you very much for the feedback, everyone. I would like to thank Mansoor on all our behalf for joining us for this session and addressing all the queries coming from you. And I would like to thank all the attendees also to for joining us for this webinar session. And if you have any queries, we have shared the email ID with you. Please reach out to our team and get your queries resolved regarding Smart Fulfillment Program. Thank you very much, everyone. We wish to see you all again soon in other sessions as well. If you have any doubts, please reach out to us and join relevant webinars or reach out to our seller support team. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.